Hi friends, this is Krishna. Welcome to my channel. Today we will start another chapter, that is foreign impact on constitution. Yeah, previously I had covered two lectures based on one chapter. First chapter. Now we are starting second chapter. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. In Indian political system, which one is supreme? Option is B, the constitution. Second question. The concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the constitution of. Answer is USA. Judicial review has been taken from USA. Third question. The idea of preamble has been borrowed in Indian constitution from constitution of. Idea of preamble. Judicial review is from USA and the preamble is from also USA. Option D. Third question's answer is option D, USA. Fourth question. The concept of a union of states in Indian constitution has been derived from. Option is C, the British North American Act. A union of states in Indian constitution has been derived from the British North American Act. Fifth question. The features of federal system of Indian constitution is inspired by the constitution of. Option A, Canada. Sixth question. The Indian parliamentary system is different from British parliamentary system in that India has. Option D, the system of judicial review. Everything is same as British. Remaining options. Both a real and nominal executive, a system of collective responsibility, bicameral legislature. Everything is same as British, but judicial review system is different from British system. The system of judicial review exists in. Option is C, India and USA. Question number 8. Which of the following characteristics is common between the federal system of India and America? Option is D, a federal Supreme Court for interpretation of the Constitution. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is true? Option is A, the federal form of government is in United States of America. Okay, remaining all are wrong. The government of India is federal and okay, no need to study wrongs. Okay, 10th question. Concurrent list included in Indian Constitution is given by. Option B, Australia. 11th question. The idea of concurrent list in Indian Constitution has been borrowed from. Option C, Australia. Similar question. Question number 12. The framers of Constitution of India borrowed the concept of the concurrent list described in the 7th schedule from the Constitution of. Option is B, Australia. Same, concurrent list is Australia. It has been described in 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. 13th question. The Indian Constitution has taken a certain features of Constitution of other countries. Which country has contributed to the framing of directive principles of state policy? Option is B, Ireland. Directive principles of state policy idea has been taken from Ireland. Question number 14. In giving representations to talent, experience and service in the composition of the Council of States, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of. Again, 14th question. In giving representation to talent, experience and service in the composition of Council of States, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of. Okay, Council of States से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लाने के लिए. ओके, 14th क्वेश्चन का आंसर है आयरिश रिपब्लिक. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी इज टेकन फ्रॉम आयरलैंड. Similarly, it has been explained. I think directive principle of state policy is explained here. In giving a representation to talent, experience and service in the composition of the council of States, Council of States. Yeah, okay. The Constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of Irish Republic. Okay, next question. 15. The concept of fundamental duties has been taken from option C, Russian Constitution, former Soviet Union. It was called formerly Soviet Union. 16th question. The concept of fundamental rights as incorporated in Indian Constitution has been adopted from option C, United States of America. Okay. 15th question is talking about fundamental duties. Fundamental duties is taken from Russian Constitution. 16th question. Here fundamental rights. Rights is taken from USA. With our enemies. So we can remember as fundamental duties. Regarding duty, Russian government, Russian Constitution. Regarding rights, USA. 17th question. The tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? Written constitution. Option is D, America. 18th. Of the following political features which are common to India and USA? Option is A, only third. Which of the following political features which are common to India and USA? President has power of pocket veto. Okay, 19th question. Given below are two statements. Assertion A. The scope of judicial review is limited in India. Reason. Indian Constitution has some borrowed items. Option is B. Both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Okay. 19th question. What is it is asking? Assertion. The scope of judicial review is limited in India. Okay. Judicial review is present in India and USA. Sorry. USA it is not present there. No, we had studied here somewhere. Okay, judicial review is present in India and USA. Okay. The scope of judicial review is limited in India. Indian Constitution has borrowed some items. Okay, yeah. From Ireland, it has taken directive principles of state policy. Next, concurrent list is taken from Australia. From USA, we had taken judicial review, and next written constitution. Fundamental rights is taken from USA. Fundamental duties is taken from Russia. And remaining, what is there? We have missed someone. Okay, federal system is taken from Canada. Federal system is taken from Canada. Okay. Previously, I think I had said other option, but federal system of Indian Constitution is inspired by Canada. Preamble is taken from USA. Next, judicial review is taken from USA. Okay. Next, 20th question. Match the list 1 with list 2. Okay. Here fundamental rights. From where it has been taken? It is asking about rights. USA. Duties means Russia. Okay, USA. This is second. Where is A for 2? Yeah, option A is correct. Sorry, option C is correct. Second here is also there. No? Option C is correct. Okay, fundamental rights is USA. Parliamentary system, it is taken from United Kingdom. Okay, UK. Next is emergency provisions. It is taken from Germany. Directive principle of state policy is taken from Ireland. So, 21st question, list 1 and 2. Okay. Again, fundamental rights. It is taken from USA. Directive principles of state policy is taken from Ireland. Cabinet government is taken from see here Option D is correct. So we will check here again. Fundamental rights. It is about US government. Okay. US Bill of Rights. Next is Directive State Principles of State Policy is Ireland. Irish Constitution. Third. Next, Cabinet Government is taken from. C is first. What is British Constitution? Okay. Next, Union State relation is taken from Canada. Yeah, federal system. Federal system means union and state both rule the country. So it is Canadian Constitution. 22nd, same. List 1 and 2 match that. Rule of law. Rule of law is taken from. Okay, anything we had studied before here. D. Concurrent list we had studied now. Australia 1. Here for D, option 1 is listed here. Okay, D. Option D is correct answer. Yeah, option D is correct answer. So rule of law is taken from England. Procedure established by law is taken from Japan. Reserving of bill by governor for president's consideration is taken from Canada. Okay. Rule of law is taken from England. Next, procedure established by law. Procedure मीन्स लॉ कुछ प्रोसीजर रखते हैं ना कि ये मत करो, वो करने से ये क्राइम है, उसका कहाँ से लिया है? जापान से. नेक्स्ट, रिजर्विंग ऑफ बिल बाय गवर्नर फॉर प्रेसिडेंट्स कंसिडरेशन. गवर्नर द्वारा बिल को प्रेसिडेंट को भेजने का प्रोसेस कहाँ से लिया? सी ये कनाडा से लिया. और कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट वी हैड स्टडीड नाउ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. अगेन मैच लिस्ट 1 and 2. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट इज आयरलैंड. नेक्स्ट, फंडामेंटल राइट्स USA. कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट फॉर यूनियन स्टेट रिलेशन टास्क. ओके, सेम. It is also Australia. Now concurrently is Australia. We had studied something federal system. Now it is from Canada. No, so we will check option first. Third is D option. Okay, D. First is what it has asked. Okay, directive Ireland. Okay, third is correct. Next, fundamental rights is USA. Okay, correct. See, concurrent list of union state relationship. First, Australia. Okay, concurrent list it is asking means Australia. Only union state relations means it is Canada. Okay. Next, here India as union of states with great powers to union. Okay, D here you given now. It is from Canada. Next, 24th question. The Constitution of India has become the longest one. Reason, the chapter on fundamental rights has been borrowed from the model of American Constitution. Okay, relation is not there in both, so we can say both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Yeah, here it is telling that Constitution of India has become the longest one. Reason क्या दिया है उसके लिए? The chapter on fundamentals, ये differently बोल रहे हैं ना, something talking about fundamental rights, so both are different. So we had finished second chapter. Tomorrow we will start article and schedules in the Constitution of India. This one we will start tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.